bro? Making a tutorial again?
So guys, we have our sample video on the timeline. Now move to the starting point from where you want to mute your video. Suppose from here, select the layer, then the audio icon, tap on this button to make a keyframe, then move some frames backward, make another keyframe. Now go to the end point, same, make a keyframe, move some frames forward, fourth keyframe. Now move to the second keyframe, reduce the volume to 0, then the third keyframe, same, volume 0. Now if we play it,
What the bro?
see, we do not have the audio anymore. Now to add sensor or beep sound, go to the starting position of the mute part, tab on plus, audio. You can download this beep sound from the video description. Go to the end point of the mute and just trim it. Adjust the volume and we are done.
What the bro? Making a tutorial again?
So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.